Welcome to this module. In this and the next module, I will take over, and whilst I will show you how to create and add your own custom visuals to Power BI projects in the next module, in this module, I will have a look at other data sources. So other sources we can query and get our data into Power BI. Throughout the course, we mostly had a look at CSV files and also how we could import data from a web page. But of course, there are other important data sources too. And in this module, we'll have a look at 3 other important data sources. That will be a database, a MySQL database, since it's a common use case that you have data in a database which you want to query and then analyze in Power BI. We'll have a look at JSON. JSON is a data format, kind of an alternative to CSV, you could say, but it's structured a bit differently. It stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and it's often used in web development and a lot of RESTful APIs. So web services you can query, return data in that format. And that will also be the third data source, querying such RESTful APIs. So sending HTTP requests to URLs which don't return a web page, but just some structured data. So these are the 3 sources I want to have a look at, and in the next lecture, we're going to start with JSON.